Today we're gonna go camping in my house. Coming up in this video. Hear that out there? It's an owl. We cannot go outside. So we are going to do camping in the house. This is a tent and it's so big. Roll out the tent. Wow, it's so big. All done. I'm so tired already. Let's connect the rods. My sister is helping me because this job is so difficult. Let's hook them. Whoa, it's flying. Yay, the tent is up now. Yippee! Let's use this grass carpet to make it realistic. Every camp needs a campfire, so we are going to make our own campfire. Yippee! First, we need to go outside to gather some sticks. Now break the sticks into smaller pieces. You also need brown, orange, yellow paper and a bowl. Cover the bowl with brown paper and stick it with tape. Put the sticks inside and arrange them. Draw fire shapes on the orange and yellow papers and cut them too. Scrunch up the paper to make it more realistic. Put the papers inside the sticks. Yay, the fire's done. Ouch! It's so hot. I'm going to add some yellow fairy lights. Now let's put the fire on the grass. I'm going to make this tent more comfy so we can sleep on it. I'm blowing this mattress. Here are some comfy blankets. Yay! So comfy already. Add some pillows, more blankets, and more stuffies. We need a small table outside. And a camping lamp. And of course the camping chair. Now it's all ready. Now we're just gonna turn off the lights. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's so dark. That's better. Did you hear that, Ugga? What is that?
It's just an owl.
Oh, okay. It's like we're in a forest. Wow, look at the stars. Now I'm hungry. Let's grill some sausages. Wow! My dad helped me grill them. Let's pretend we're grilling them in the fire. They're so good. Time for dessert. Wow! Roasted marshmallows on the fire. Marshmallow fry! Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. So yummy. Wanna roast them for real? Use a candle. Ask your mom and dad too. Now we're gonna make s'mores.
Wow!
You need marshmallows, crackers, and chocolate. Add the crackers. Put chocolates on top. Then the marshmallows. Put them in the microwave for 10 seconds. Whoa, they are growing so fast. And lastly, put the cracker on the top again. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, it's time to go inside the tent. I'm having a fun dance party in the tent. Time for some spooky stories. Once upon a time, there was a girl. She went to a forest. What's that? I hear a sound. Time for a bedtime story with a flashlight. It's time to sleep, guys, and I'm super tired. We had so much fun being together, so I guess this is the end of our day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.